Hello guys, I am Kowsigan from A to Z Learning. In this video we are going to watch what is reverse psychology and how to use it. I am also going to explain what are the advantages and disadvantages in this method. So what is reverse psychology? Reverse psychology is an effective psychological method you can use for making others do what you want. In this method, you can trigger someone to do the thing that you want by telling that person to do the exact opposite of it. For example, telling your friend the statement, like I bet you can't arrive before 6 p.m. You will be late as usual. Will motivate him to do the opposite just to prove you wrong. Will it work with all kind of people? Reverse psychology will not work with all type of people. It works best with narcissists, overconfident people, type A personalities, people having an exaggerated ego and stubborn people. Those type of people have the belief that they can do anything in the world, and that's why using reverse psychology with them will ignite their fighting spirits, because they will want to prove you wrong by doing the exact opposite of what you told. Not every person will respond to reverse psychology. For example, those who lack self-confidence might actually take your defeating statements and make from them new limiting beliefs that makes them become even worse. On the other hand, egoistic and highly competitive people respond very much to reverse psychology. Some type of people are rebels by nature. Reverse psychology works perfectly against rebels. The main thing about reverse psychology is to trigger the ego of the person. That's why reverse psychology works very well with egoistic and narcissist people. Some people are more agreeable by nature. They will agree with you if you tell the right thing directly. So reverse psychology trick is not needed for them. If you implement reverse psychology with them, then it might actually have the opposite effect and harm them. One shouldn't overuse reverse psychology. It may result in letting the other person notice that you are trying to program him to do something. In this case, that person will stop trusting you. Sometimes using reverse psychology is a dangerous weapon and backfires if it is used in wrong situations. For example, if your child got low marks in the exam, then telling your child something like you will never get higher scores might ruin his self-confidence. It will make your child feel worthless and have an inferiority complex in his mind. Instead of the previous statement, telling your child something like I am sure that you can never finish your homework tonight is much healthier than telling him you will never get good grades. So reverse psychology shouldn't be misused. It can be used for a good purpose and in a healthy way. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.